Are you interested in starting a chicken farming business in South Africa? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will guide you on how to get started with this lucrative venture. First and foremost, let's talk about the cost of starting a chicken farming business. On average, it could cost you between 20,000 to 50,000 to start your own chicken farm, depending on how big or small you're starting. It costs between 38 Rand to 40 Rand to grow a day-old chick to a point of sale, and one box of 100 day-old chicks costs between 850 Rand to 950 Rand. It's important to remember that ongoing expenses, such as feed and medication, should also be factored into your budget. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your chicken farming business in South Africa. Step 1. Identifying goals and objectives before starting your chicken farming business. Clearly define your goals and objectives. Determine if you aim to focus on meat production, egg production, or both. Consider factors such as target markets, production volume, and growth projections. Step 2. Conduct a thorough market analysis to understand the demand and competition in your area. This information will help you make informed decisions regarding your target market and pricing strategy. Make sure you are legally operating your poultry farming company by obtaining the necessary licenses. Step 3. Find a suitable location for your chicken farm. Consider factors such as proximity to markets, availability of clean water, and accessibility to suppliers. Step 4. Design and construct a chicken coop that meets the specific needs of your chosen farming system. Ensure proper ventilation, lighting, and sanitation to create a healthy environment for your chickens. Step 5. Source high-quality day-old chicks from reputable hatcheries. Choose breeds that are well suited for the local climate and have good growth potential. Step 6. Purchase the necessary equipment, such as feeders, drinkers, and heating systems, to provide for your flock's needs. Make sure to choose equipment that is durable, easy to clean, and meets industry standards. Step 7. Implement a comprehensive biosecurity plan to prevent the spread of diseases and ensure the well-being of your flock. This includes strict hygiene practices, pest control measures, and routine health checks. Step 8. Develop a feeding program that meets the nutritional requirements of your chickens at each stage of growth. Consult with livestock nutrition experts for guidance on the proper diet and feeding regimen. Water management. Monitor water quality and availability to ensure that chickens have access to clean water at all times. Proper hydration is crucial for growth and overall performance. Step 9. Market your chicken products effectively. Consider partnering with local retailers, participating in farmers markets, or even starting your own online store. Step 10. Continually monitor and evaluate your business performance. Keep track of production costs, sales, and customer feedback to identify areas for improvement and growth opportunities. Starting a chicken farming business in South Africa requires careful planning and dedication. But with the right knowledge and resources, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey?